is perfect. A day at the beach. Q is for quirky. Look. Extra words to it. Now A is for apple. As everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those. Look out for B. A bodacious blue bubble. And bumblebees buzzing won't cause you much trouble.
C is for cookie.
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for the Circus McGurkus Pink Top. And D, that's a breeze. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with D? Like Dana or David or Dingus McGee? E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun. G is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat. That's right, the hat of the cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray! Good for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the new Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Kerchoo lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called MNOP? O is for opposite. North and south going Zaxes. Stubbornly stopped, unbudged in their trackses. P is for perfect. A day at the beach. Q is for quick. Look, that must be a sneetch. Now back to G. Why? For green eggs and green ham. I really like them, I do, Sam, I am. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneetch Town with S and a T. Uncle Ub's umbrella is a triple for you. And you just might throw in his underwear, too. V is for the visitors here on vacation, here to see us from many great nations. W is for why does this ride have to end? We wish to ride more, so please tell us when. And now X, Y, Z will ride.
Thank you for watching. Please help this channel grow by subscribing and smashing the like button. If you enjoyed this video, try one of the others shown above for more. As always, let us know in the comments below how much you are enjoying the channel.